Today I'm comparing some Hammer Action Nerf flashes and seeing which one is best. Firstly, the Dart Zone Buccaneer. It's really slim and it's got this cool pirate theme, but can only hold 4 rounds and the hammer is off-center, making it a little bit awkward to prime. Let's check out its power. By the way, if you haven't yet, don't forget to like this video. Not bad. Next is the Nerf Doomlance Negotiator. It's pretty chunky for a pistol, but it can hold 8 rounds, and because of its hammer's placement and a lighter spring, the prime is quite easy. Let's check out its power. Dude, this one sucks. Finally, the Dart Zone Max Outlaw. It looks kind of like a space revolver, which is really cool. It's got a metal barrel and a metal hammer to help a stronger spring and give the dart higher velocity. Let's check out its power. Dang, that one hit hard. The dart is still stuck inside the cup. So I think the winner is definitely the Dart Zone Max Outlaw. Also, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers before the new year.